Here's a 2019 Ram 1500. With superior performance and legendary hauling and towing capacity, this Ram 1500 is the one tool that can master any job you throw at it. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: energy regenerative brakes, electronic shift on the fly, driver selectable mode, active grille shutters, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather split bench seats, aluminum wheels, heavy-duty shocks, configurable instrument gauges, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver hails pretty much everything about this new truck is very well executed. When you need to grab life by the horns, you need a Ram. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.